Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Mm. Love can be sweet like the morning sun. Two hearts beating, two lives as one. Laughing together through the rain and shine. Promising forever, you are mine. But love can turn to headache and pain when distance comes like a heavy rain. The same heart that made you smile can break you down for a little while. So never take love for granted. Never let good moments fade away. Hold each other with respect and care, because tomorrow may not be the same as today. Love and headache can be two sides of one coin. Today we are laughing, tomorrow we may cry. So hold my hand while the time is here. Be thankful for every moment passing by. Put God first in the middle of love. Let Him guide us when the road gets tough. When storms come and hearts feel weak, only God can keep true love alive. Many marriages start with fire and dreams, but life can be harder than it seems. Some walk away, some fall apart, some carry scars inside the heart. So work on love like a garden every day. Remove the weeds, don't let it decay. Say sorry, forgive, and communicate. Don't wait until it is too late. Love is not only feelings at night. It needs patience, truth, and light. Respect your partner, value your friend. Real love is something we must defend. Love and headache can be two sides of one coin. Two sides of one coin. Today we are laughing, tomorrow we may cry. So hold my hand while the time is here. Time is here. Be thankful for every moment passing by. Put God first in the middle of love. Let Him guide us when the road gets tough. When storms come and hearts feel weak, only God can keep true love alive. But never lose yourself in another soul. Never let love take full control. Stand on your feet, learn to survive. So if things change, you can still live your life. Have your own strength, have your own dream, even when love is flowing like a stream. Because people can change, seasons can turn, and every heartbreak has something to learn. Don't depend on love alone to breathe. Build your faith in your destiny. If separation knocks on your door one day, God will still help you find your way. Mama said, love with wisdom, my child. Papa said, be strong when life gets wild. The Bible says, let God lead the way. For love without Him can easily stray. So we pray together, we stand together through sunny days and stormy weather. If we must part, let peace remain. No hate, no revenge, no endless pain. Love and headache can be two sides of one coin. Today we are laughing, tomorrow we may cry. So with faith, strength, and wisdom, you can rise again after all.